Have you ever seen an island with so many greens? All the shades together forming beautiful scenes. Fishermen are spinning tales of life on the sea, while Farmer John is in the field planting his seed. Have you ever seen them harvest moss on the shores of North Cape, or sail the ferry across Northumberland Strait? You can see seals bathing on the beaches of Seal Cove, and on the banks of Cape Bear watch the boats sailing home. Oh, Prince Edward Island, you're the air that I breathe. You're the rolling hills, you're the winding roads, the taste of lobster from our sea. Oh, Prince Edward Island, you're a safe haven for me. Have you walked upon singing sands and smelled the salty air? Watch the waves lapping the red sands of Cape Bear. Have you stopped long enough to feel the winds of change? Gaze the wide open spaces while standing in the rain. Have you heard stories about days gone by? Stories about shipwrecks off the coast of PEI. Can you feel their spirits here with us today? The seeds of our forefathers guiding the way. Oh, Prince Edward Island, you're the air that I breathe. You're the rolling hills, you're the winding roads, a taste of lobster from our sea. Oh,